Alright, so I got a bit of a life hack here. I was having some problems with the electrical outlet in my front room, and after paying an electrician $80 an hour to come out and troubleshoot, we discovered that there was a break in the wire between the plugs. So between this plug here and this plug here, there's a break somewhere in the wire, which is of course causing the whole circuit to shut down and not work properly. So I have to replace the wire between this socket and this socket right here. So what I've done is, instead of busting out the drywall all the way across and replacing whole sections, I used my handy dandy router with a flush trim bit, and I cut a groove all the way in the wall, or in the wall I should say, all the way across, all the way over to the other outlet. So now I can cut this away, take my new wire here that I just got from Lowe's, and I can tuck it in the wall like so, all the way across and all the way down. And then when I'm done, all you got to do is just put some spackle on it and repaint it. And that way you don't have to patch a bunch of drywall and cause a bunch of work that is unnecessary. So just a little life hack here from Ernie, and I hope you enjoy it and hope it helps you out.